All right, for Ungifted, you need to respond to at least 3 of the study questions you see below. Number 1, starting right there. Why is Donovan interested in Ancestry.com? Number 2, to what was the narrator referring when he said, the howl of protest that went up all around the building surprised me? What does this statement mean? Number 3, why were the Daniels making grotesque faces at Donovan through the window? Number 4, what did Nussbaum mean by saying, if he's any kind of basketball fan, you're golden? Number 5, infer why Donovan wondered if he'd ever need enemies. Now, infer means it didn't say exactly word for word about this, but what can you think by the words that were written? Or try to get inside Donovan's thinking. Number 6, who are the Hatfields and the McCoys? How would the Daniels be similar to them? And number 7, how would Donovan's possible inherited survival skills come in handy after the events of Chapter 1? So respond to a minimum of 3 of these. You can respond to all of them if you'd like. You can also go on or add on to somebody's comment and expand on it. Vocabulary: battlement, toupee, or what is that? Toupee, yeah. Archrival, sulking, scoffed, conceited, belligerence, nape, careened, prognosis, juggernaut, pulverized, and obscured. Those are words that you may not know, so read the definitions. Can't wait to hear your comments.